One of the best ways to improve your drawing skills is with master studies. If you're wondering how to develop your drawing skill, how to develop your personal style, and also how to get yourself out of an artistic rut, master studies are for you. And I'm here to show you how to produce master studies to improve your artwork. And I'm going to break this down so it cannot be broken down anymore. First up is compositional master studies. First, pick an artwork which you absolutely love and resonates with you. Once you've selected your artwork, turn it into a black and white image or blur the image. You can do this on Adobe Photoshop, for example. Just take away all of that saturation from the image. This helps you focus on the big shapes and the structure of the artwork and makes you focus on the composition of that artwork too. Next, sketch the big shapes and the tones from that artwork. You can see the big shapes and the structure way more clearly by turning it into a black and white image, and forget about the details. Think about the big shapes and construct it into small thumbnail sketches within your sketchbook. I really suggest you produce a few of these thumbnail sketches to really get you into the grasp and understanding of how different artists constructed their compositions by just sketching those big shapes. My next tip is exploring different techniques and also mediums. One of the most valuable aspects of doing master studies is to push you out of your comfort zone and to try new techniques, new methods, and also new mediums. Maybe it's a unique drawing technique or a medium which you've never used, and you can utilize these master studies to practice these elements. For example, you might want to try using acrylic or oil paint, or try using a particular drawing technique that you can utilize within your master studies to practice and to see how different artists use these mediums and the techniques within their artworks. Each of your explorations will broaden your skill and also see what's achievable within art. Next up is quick to detailed master studies. So not all master studies need to be hours and hours long, but you can mix and match by doing just quick thumbnail sketches of certain master studies and then producing longer studies, so a few hours for one master study. So really mix and match the variations of time for your master study. If you only have a few minutes to give or to allow for a master study, that's okay. Just focus on one element per master study and really mix and match the amount of time you spend on your master studies. And if you want even more help with your master studies, I recommend you checking out this video to help you. And then we go on to stealing from various artists. So once you have a good understanding and you've learnt a few things from different artists, we can go about stealing aspects of different styles and different techniques from these artists to produce your own personal style. And then we're going to use all the things that you've learnt within your studies to create a new artistic voice that you can champion. And then it's about developing your own personal style. Every famous artist out there has been influenced and also inspired by the artists that came before them. They also produced their own master studies, and you can do the same to not only improve your skill, see what's out there, but you can also develop your own personal style. So maybe you like the colours from David Hockney, maybe you like the drawing style of Van Gogh or Rubens, maybe you love the colours of Turner. You can amalgamate all of what you've learnt within your master studies, and then you can create a fresh piece of artwork. Using all the things you've learnt, you can then amalgamate it into your own artwork, which is fresh and original to you. I suggest maybe drawing a portrait or a landscape or anything you love painting or drawing, then taking all of these elements that you've learnt into your own fresh piece. And then finally, what are the long-term benefits of producing master studies? Keeps your work fresh and original, and it also helps you develop your techniques and practices your skill. And if you're in a creative or artistic rut, It gets you and pushes you out of your comfort zone. As you're drawing from a multitude of different artists, it will make you stand out. It will help you practice your skills and make you become a fully fledged artist. I really recommend Master Studies to help you improve your skills, your techniques, and also push your creative boundaries. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the Portrait Guru for even more content in the future, and give me a comment below with how you got on with your own Master Studies. And I really recommend you checking out this video coming up to help you improve your drawing skill.